Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sofie and in today's video I'm going to show you the items I got during the Buffalo sale. I have made so many Buffalo shoe videos in the past and this one is a new one to add to the playlist. But now let's get into the video and show you these ones. Let's start off with the first ones. They are my absolute favorites. These ones are super comfy, they're very lightweight, because if you own Buffalo shoes yourself, you know that the classics are very heavy and these ones are like super light. These are the next ones. They're also super lightweight. I really love it. You wouldn't expect that for like a plateau sole, but yes, they are super lightweight. I love it. They have the exact same inside sole with like polka dots like my other Buffalo shoe. The next one is a Buffalo Aspha RLD in cream, and I really love how simple these are and they match so many of my outfits. Beige and cream colors are so on trend right now, so I really wanted to get these. Whoops! I totally forgot to mention these. I forgot to show you them. So yeah, this is another pair of Buffalo Asphas. I know, but these ones have a black sole, so it's a difference. This is a cream color as well, but they have more like a pink undertone, I think. They have a crocodile print all over the boot and I really love it. So yeah. And these are the last ones. I know they look quite similar to the ones I just showed you. They also have a zipper and these don't. So yeah, that's like the biggest difference. These are so heavy and bulky. And this is the Aspha COM1. That's it for today's video. Let me know which pair you like the most and if I should make a styling video, because I'm so looking forward to all my beige and light pink outfits for the spring. So let me know in the comments and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye!